Today, I'll be showing you how to install Creative Suite Pro on your harnessed agent. Now, we will specifically be using Mistral Vibe, though it works with any CLI or Claude Code, OpenClaw, Codex, whatever you may want to use. First, click Download to download the prompt package. Now, once the package is downloaded, copy the prompt here to trigger it. Now we tab over to Mistral Vibe. Once we're in Mistral Vibe, the next step is to paste the copy you just did for the trigger prompt. Once it's copied and pasted, hit Enter. Now what this prompt does is it directs the model to the package so that it can look in the package and figure out what to do next. Once it is identified Creative Suite Pro, it will prompt you to install. Now type install, hit enter. Now you will see Mistral take the package and unpack it. Now we've entered Creative Suite Pro. Now let's enter our name. Elwood is the agent with Creative Suite Pro. You can build whatever it is you'd like.